How do you go about getting items on Amazon for free, but also making between $100 to $300 every single day by reviewing products on Amazon? Now, if you ask me, I thought this was not real, impossible, didn't believe it. That's crazy. Until I started getting this for like $139. It's like a massage thing, like boop, 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 boop. On top of that, I also got this entire like Rubik's Cube, which is pretty cool if you ask me. And I even got this entire what is this called, diffuser, like like those things that make your room smell nice, which is pretty cool. I got all these items for free, including headphones, portable chargers, USB cords, a whole bunch of different things I buy on Amazon every single week, and I got it all for free. And I also made money while doing this, between $100 to $300 every single day, and all I had to do was write a review on Amazon. By the way, guys, all this stuff, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it step by step. I'm not going to tell you, hey, just go to the website and do this. No, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it step by step to make sure you guys make money also. By the way, I'm also going to be giving you guys an Amazon gift card, well, 3 of them, for $25. I'll tell you about it later on in the video. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is Simon Bryson. I'm an accountant, and I upload videos on YouTube every single day. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified, and on top of that, do me a favor, smash the like button. And here's a question for you guys, okay? When was the last time you ever got paid for reviewing a product? The answer is probably never, because I buy Amazon products all the time. I do reviews, I don't get paid. But now, because of this website and the system, whenever I do a review, I get the item for free, and I also get paid for doing the review. If you ask me, that's a pretty good deal, and it's free money, free items, and free resell, and more money in your pocket. So sounds pretty cool if you ask me. Now, you're probably wondering, Tommy, how exactly does this entire system work? Well, initially, I didn't know anything about this process until this company contacted me and asked me to do a review on their company. Usually, I ignore every single sponsorship thing because usually it doesn't make sense. But this time they told me, Tommy, we'll give money to your subscribers. And I said, like, well, now that you mention it, people can use money, so why not do it? So basically, this company sponsored the video, and their name is called ExtremeRebate.com. Link down below, and when you use my link, you get 5 free requests. Now, I'm going to break that down later on in the video, but for right now, listen to this, guys, okay? This is like the sponsor part. But basically, this company reached out to me and told me, Tommy, do a review on an entire product. I'm going to do that right now. But the main thing is this, guys. With this entire company, I did a review because basically, I can make money from them, and I can make a lot of money from them, but also you guys can make money from them, okay? On top of that, you guys actually get $25 in Amazon gift cards, and all you have to do is enter the giveaway link down below. Now, let's start breaking it down exactly how the system works and how everything actually operates, and if it's a scam or if it's not a scam. Because again, one thing I requested to do the entire review for the company is that I get to speak my mind and be honest and talk about the flaws and the good stuff, and my subscribers also get paid. So once they filled out all those 5 things, then I was like, all right, I'll do it. Why not? So basically how it works is this, guys. Well, when you order an Amazon product, you get it, boom, right? You get the product, you paid for it, it ends right there. But basically, this company, ExtremeRebate.com, they give you a rebate every time you order one of the items on their website from Amazon. So for example, you go on Amazon and you want to buy an item like this. By the way, this costs around $130 on Amazon, and it's kind of like one of those items you put on your muscles when they're sore, and it gives like a massage, like like this massage, and it costs a lot of money, believe it or not. So this item costs around $139. When I go to Amazon to buy it, I have to pay for this item, okay? But with this company, basically, if I find the product on their website, I click it, I request it. Once the seller approves it, well, now I can go on Amazon, buy the item, give them my order number. Once they give my order number and I get the item at home, they give me instantly a rebate, a refund on whatever I paid for this item, and that way I get the item for free. Now, if I want, I can keep the item, or I can sell the item, or just basically give it away. I'm going to break down all that stuff on the options of what to do exactly with the item once you get it later on in the video. But basically, it's a way to get items for free. Very simple, okay? Basically, here's the breakdown, step by step. You pick an item from the website. Once you pick the item, you request it from the seller. Once they request from the seller, they approve it or they deny it, whatever they do. You order the item, you get it at home. Once you get it at home, you get the money right back to you. You do a review for the seller, and then boom, the item is yours free of charge. Now, I know you guys are smart, so you're probably wondering, well, Tommy, why would a company ever give you an item like this that costs so much money for free? Well, the answer is this. You guys are smart, you understand business, and for example, this item might resell for $139, but in reality, it might only cost the company 20, 30 bucks to make and to sell it for like a whole bunch of money, okay? So, for example, on Amazon, whenever you have an item like this, there's a whole bunch of them. So the company wants to compete with the other items and they want to increase their ranking on the pages on Amazon. So whenever you go, you buy this product, you do a review for the company. Well, now this company goes from down here to up here because you gave them the review, and now more people see this item and more people buy it for the normal price of $139. So in that way, they get like more like advertising in a sense on Amazon, and you get the item for free, but they also get more sales. Thus, it's a win-win situation. Now, how does Extreme Rebate make money? Well, basically, they charge the sellers money to post their items on their website, and then you order the items, you get the money for free, and that's basically it. Step by step, that's how it works. That's the entire system. Now, I know you guys are probably wondering now, well, Tommy, why don't you talk about the good and then also the bad? Because everything has to have a bad. And before I did this review, I told the company I would talk about the good and I would also talk about the bad, because those are my terms whenever you want me to do a video in your company, whether you pay me or you don't pay me. That's just how I work, okay? So, for example, one thing that I noticed when it comes to the good is that the company is very simple to use. There's no catch to it. You get paid your money as soon as you do the review, and usually as soon as you get the item at home, you get paid your money instantly through PayPal. Once you get the money, that's it. On top of that, the entire system to the entire website is pretty cool, pretty simple. So for example, if you keep ordering items, you get like a ranking that says like, hey, you're the ultimate person. So now more sellers approve your item. By the way, they sell beds, tables, a whole bunch of things there. I bought socks, boxers. I buy things that I like normally use and I just like keep them, okay? That's what I usually do. But if you want to resell, you can buy a whole bunch of different things. Speakers, headphones, chargers, USB cords, whatever you want to get, you can get it from here and you get it for free. And that way you get money, okay? You get money, you get to make money every single day because you don't have to pay for these items. And on top of that, this company adds around 1,000 items every single day to the website. So for example, if you don't see an item you like, come back tomorrow and you might see an item you like. For example, when I wanted to get this entire thing right here, I had to wait like a day or two so you see it pop up and be like, oh, there's the item. I'm gonna go request for it. Usually, by the way, each item is only up there for like 2 days or 3 days, and on top of that, only 10 people can register, so you want to make sure you get in while you still can and you actually get the item, and that way you have a better chance, okay? So just make sure you enter for the item before anyone else does, and that way you have a higher chance to actually get the item, okay? Now, one little thing here, guys, that I want to mention here, not every item is free. So for example, there might be an item that might cost a ton of money, but they might charge you the cost to make the item. For example, if this item costs 30 bucks to make and they sell it for like $149 or whatever, they might charge you like 30 bucks, and that way you get the cost of the product, but you still get the item for like almost free. And you can just resell the item for like a higher price and then still make all your money back, okay? Basically, that's what I would do if you see an item that you actually want, but you can't afford to actually get it or whatever, okay? For example, I saw a bed for like, what was it, like $200, and the bed was worth like $1,000. So why wouldn't I get it? Because I'm not interested, obviously, but you know, I could get it if I wanted to resell it to somebody else and just make money like that also. So there's a lot of ways to make money on this website. And on top of that, guys, when it comes to the last feature that I really like, is basically customer service is pretty like good. Okay, I contacted customer service a few times and they answered me like very promptly. By the way, I made a secret account so they didn't know it was me actually ordering items, so that way I can test the entire thing for 2 weeks before I actually talk about it in my video. And I tested out, it worked perfectly, and that's why I'm making this video today. Now, when it comes to the bad, because everything has bad, I'll admit it, basically, there's a few things that are bad here, okay? Basically, whenever you order this item, depending on your state, you will be charged tax. And they don't refund the tax, they only refund the cost of the items. For example, if the item costs $10, by the way, this is not a vibrator, it's like a USB thing plus like a hand warmer. So you just like warm your hands during the winter. Just wanted to clarify that in case you guys think I'm doing something weird, okay? Basically, guys, you actually get this entire thing. So basically, if you get an item like this for like $10 and the tax is like 8 cents or 10 cents, they only refund you the 10 bucks, and then the 8 cents, the tax, is on you, not on the company. Now, on top of that, that is not all. When you actually get the item, the money, the rebates back on PayPal, they actually charge you a merchant fee of around like 2.9%. So you're still getting charged money on your PayPal account for doing this entire like rebate stuff, okay? Now, I did do the math, and when you buy something on Amazon from New York, they tax you around 9%, sometimes 8%. So for example, when Amazon charges me 9% and PayPal charges me around like 3%, when you put those numbers together, you actually get between like 11 to 12%. So in reality, the discount on the item is only around 88% to 90%. So you get like a 90% discount, but still, it's still a lot of money. And here's why: because if you buy an item for $100 and all you have to do is sell it for like 80 bucks, you still get like 100% on your entire profit, okay? So it's still a good deal. If you ask me, 90% discount is still pretty solid, okay? Now, another thing that I noticed is that when you go on extreme rebates and you buy an item, for example, well, now you need to do a review. Now, when you do the review, and Amazon takes between like 1 to 3 days to process the review because they want to make sure you're a real person and not like a robot. Once they process the review, you can like put it in, and that way you get more points to get more items, because basically when you do a review, you get an extra point, and with that point, you can request an extra item, okay? That's how it basically works. It's like an entire point system. So you do a review, you get more points, you order more items, you get more free stuff, you get more money in that sense. It's like a little circle, okay? So for example, because Amazon takes a little longer to process the reviews, sometimes you might be stuck and not be able to order any items until those reviews actually come through, and then you can actually plug them in, and then everything is perfect and back to normal. That's something that I didn't like because it's kind of like a delay, and I don't really like delays all the time. But that's basically it, guys. The cons are basically tax and fees from PayPal, and also the entire reviews. Oh, and by the way, you're not gonna get like an iPhone or like a MacBook on this entire website. It's like more like simple stuff that you would get and other people will buy. You can still make money from it by selling them, but it's not like the craziest items in the world, but it's still pretty cool because I buy this stuff all the time. So far, I really like extreme rebates. But like I told you guys before, I'm not gonna let you guys leave this video without giving you exactly how to do the entire thing and make the most money as possible. Now, there are 3 ways to do this. You either keep the item for yourself, you resell the item and make money, or number 3, you just give away the item to whoever you want to. So the first thing is this: if you want to keep the item, like I mostly do because I kept this Rubik's Cube, I kept this for myself, well, the main thing is this: you want to make sure whatever you apply for, you actually like, you order it, you request it, you get the product, you do a review. By the way, most reviews you have to give them 5 stars. If you don't like it, you just don't do a review whatsoever, and you contact customer service and you tell them, hey, what happened? And they just like delete it for you, and there you go, you're proper. Because I ordered some lights, I did not like the lights, and I did not do a review on the lights because I did not like them. I didn't want to be like dishonest and like mislead people, so I didn't do it. I think I did, honestly. I don't remember. But the whole point is, if you don't want to do a review, you don't have to. It won't affect you, but it kind of will affect your account, because if you have a lot of reviews to do and you haven't done it and you've been like getting paid, they'll be like, hey, we can't trust this guy because this guy's just trying to get the items and not really do reviews. So you have to make sure you actually do the reviews. And I'll be honest with you guys, usually when I want to order items so I can actually keep them, I order things like boxers, socks, fanny packs, and I also even order like this stuff, you know. These are called like, I think they're called like hangers, and you know, you put them in your closet and you put the shirts on it, but basically it's costing around like 30 bucks. Okay, and I don't want to pay for it, so I just got them for free. Basically, I buy stuff I would need for free when I do the entire like keep method. Now, when it comes to reselling, tell me, how do I resell this stuff to make sure I make the most amount of money? Now, the first thing is this: you want to make sure the item you're gonna buy is actually in the market and it's actually in demand. So, for example, if I buy this item right here, it is in demand. I can go on eBay right now, list this item, and make between like 100 to 120 bucks. Easy, okay? Now, if you ask me, that is called 100% profit. Well, not even, because for example, guys, if the item costs 140 bucks right here, and I paid 11%, well, I paid 15 bucks, okay? So it ended up costing me, well, I saved around $124. So if I sell this for $100, I literally made 100 divided by 15. I literally made 6 times my money just like that. So if you get a whole bunch of items like this, where you pay some money, yes, but you sell them for a profit, you can still make a ton of money. For example, I had a lady contact me about this right here, this humidifier right here, because I have 2. If you don't see it, I have another one like all the way like back here. It's like a green one, which is my personal one. But I also have like this other one right here, and the lady contacted me saying, hey, Tommy, can I buy this from you for like 30 bucks? Okay, this costs like $40, but I paid 0. Well, 11%. But in reality, if I sell this to her for $30, well, I just made another like 3 to 4 times my money. No problem. Very easy. So the whole point, if you're trying to resell, make sure you get items that are actually going for a resell and actually going to actually resell on eBay or Amazon, Facebook, or person to person, or garage sales, or flea markets. Wherever you want to go to sell these items, you can actually go there and sell them. The whole point is this: you want to make sure whatever you pay for the item is actually worth the profit. Now, again, not all the items are free. So for example, if you buy a watch, right, and the watch, they say, hey, okay, we'll give you a 90% discount, but you still have to pay like $10 for the watch, okay? And you say like, okay, I'll do it. You want to make sure that if the watch is going for $100, you get it, and then you resell it and you still make a profit. It doesn't matter if you pay something for the watch, you still get a profit no matter what. That's the entire point here. Now, don't forget, if you're reselling stuff, you will be charged taxes, okay? Don't try to outsmart the system. You will be charged taxes. So that's an official business. So just make sure if you're reselling, you actually understand you're going to be charged taxes. But that's good, you know, because eventually you can get a credit card for your business and you make a lot more money when you get loans and you actually make it official and all that fancy stuff. So if you want to resell, that's the way to go. And the last thing is this, guys. I'll be honest with you guys, okay? My mom, my sisters, my friends are always asking me for stuff, and I always say no because I just don't buy things, okay? Now, lately, I've been in a very giving mood. Why? Because I got my mom a humidifier, another one. It's not that one that I have down there. I also got her headphones, my sister headphones. I also got them like a wireless, what is it called? Like a wireless phone charger. And basically, they use these items and they're like, oh my gosh, Tommy is such in a giving mood. Isn't he awesome? But in reality, I'm getting these items for free. So that's why I'm giving so much stuff, okay? So basically, you can either keep the item for yourself, resell it, which is pretty good if you ask me, or number 3, you can basically just take the item and gift it to your friends, your family, your girlfriend, whatever you want to do, and that way, you seem like a pretty good person, but in reality, you're just getting the items for free, okay? That's the process. That's how it works, and that's what I would do with it. And guys, comment down below and let me know, what do you think about extremerebate.com? Does it sound cool? Does it not sound cool? Comment down below. Let me know. Are you going to try it? On top of that, remember this, guys. Make sure if you sign up, use my link down below. You get 5 requests, and you also get a special label saying that you're trustworthy. That way you can actually get items that you usually want to be able to get, because that label says, hey, I'm trustworthy, and the seller will actually accept your request, and that way you can actually make more money on better items. And on top of that, I also have the giveaway for the 3 Amazon gift cards. Link down below. I create a website. You go to the website, you sign up, and by Friday, I will be announcing the winners for that entire thing. So there you go. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one or you have any questions, DM me on Instagram at Tommy Bryson. And before I go, if you want to find out exactly how to buy iPhones and AirPods, where's my AirPods? And AirPods for free, and also Apple Watches for free, well, I have a video right here. Check it out. And on top of that, subscribe to the channel right here by clicking my face. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and peace.